Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn fast dodge. First, understand that a fast dodge relies on quick, small movements rather than large, sweeping ones. Your goal is to shift your body just enough to avoid an incoming attack, not to completely relocate. Begin by identifying the direction of the threat and reacting instantly. This foundational understanding is crucial for building effective dodging skills. We'll cover specific drills next. To master the core mechanics, start in a ready stance with your weight evenly distributed. When you perceive a threat, push off with the foot opposite the direction you want to dodge. This creates an explosive burst of movement. Remember to keep your knees slightly bent and your core engaged, maintaining a low center of gravity. This ensures you remain balanced and ready for subsequent actions, preventing overextension. Consistent practice is key. Start with shadow dodging, mimicking evasive movements without an actual opponent. Dedicate at least 10 minutes daily. Next, introduce reactive drills, have a partner throw soft objects, or use a hanging target to practice dodging on cue. Gradually increase the speed and unpredictability of these drills. Focus on making your movements crisp and efficient, aiming for a reaction time under 0.5 seconds. For advanced dodging, focus on anticipation. Learning to read your opponent's tells can give you a crucial fraction of a second advantage, allowing you to initiate your dodge before the attack fully commits. Integrate dodging seamlessly into your overall movement, making it a natural part of your defensive and offensive flow. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll see significant improvement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.